You know, I've discovered something really cool and really nice. And that thing, bilkul, there's a party in the mouth with it. You know what that is? It's sushi or sashimi with Dragon Fire Chutney. I'll tell you, ये कुछ combination जो है ना, इतना खतरनाक है. I mean, खतरनाक in a good way. It's just outstanding. Oh my God. This is so good. It's the perfect accompaniment with sushi, with sashimi, with gyozas, with the wontons, with momos. Outstanding. And I'm actually making this chutney as a marinade for my chicken tenders. And also, I'm going to do like a quick dipping sauce along with this. So in this recipe, my जो chutney है, I'm actually using it twice. Oh, I can't resist this, man. I'll be back. Let's start cooking. So I have some nice boneless, skinless chicken tenders. Okay. Now these are actually chicken breast cut into nice strips. That's, I think, the leanest and the most quickest way. You can make a wonderful appetizer at home for your friends and for your family. Now with this, I'm going to be marinating this with a little bit of red chili powder. Okay. A bit of turmeric. हल्का सा मैंने नमक डालना है इसमें. Beautiful. And the Dragon Fire Chutney. So this works as a fantastic marinade as well for paneer, for broccoli, for potatoes, and with chicken next level हो जाता है. तो इसको हम अच्छी तरह marinate कर रहे हैं. Now literally अगर आप grill पे पका रहे हो कुछ, these थोड़ा सा तेल डाल के they can go exactly on your char griller, on your barbecue, if you're looking for a more healthier style of chicken, okay? Now what I'm doing here is kind of put them in a little batter and I'm going to fry it. देखो, marination इतनी जल्दी हो गई and look at it. It looks like wow. Now let's make a little bit of a batter. So for that I have a couple of eggs which I'm cracking here. Into this, the Dragon Fire Chutney. Thoda sa namak. Beautiful. And we're going to give this a little mix. So we're just going to beat the eggs well. Imagine what a lovely omelette this will make. Wow. So there's lots you can do with this chutney at home, literally. Next, we're going to be adding a little bit of corn flour, a little bit of regular flour as well. Continue whisking this. So we're going to be shallow frying these chicken tenders right here. So our batter ready ho gaya. So next we're going to drop our chicken tenders in this lovely batter. Give this a nice mix. This chicken gets a really nice, beautiful coating. It gets even more tender as it cooks, as you can see now. And it gets a beautiful kind of a lovely egg coating around it. It's just out of this world, party in the mouth types. So we're going to be dropping these in. So these lovely egg fried chicken tenders get a fabulous flavoring. They get a really nice crust on the top and absolutely delicious to eat. एक धमाका का sauce बनाएंगे अभी. So we have a little bit of ketchup, Dragon Fire Chutney, a dash of soya sauce. So हमारी dragon dip ready, and so as our chicken. तो ये हमने mix कर दिया है. So nicely coated with egg, some flour, some cauliflower, and a fantastic starter is in the making. तो अभी जो हमारा party in the mouth है, वो यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है. We've got all these lovely chicken tenders done with a beautiful egg coating, marinated with Dragon Fire Chutney, which is a dip today as well as a marinade. So as I was telling you that this chutney is so versatile that you can almost use it anywhere. A little more of this here. So whether it's a party or a game or just a meeting, you want to have some fun and you want to make some good food, just like that, open the bottle, let your imagination go, and here we go. So these are my egg fried chicken tenders with a dragon and soya ketchup. Enjoy!